Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do ombre holiday nails. Holiday ombre nails. So I'm starting by showing you my materials that I'm going to be using. And these are the wedges that you're going to need to pat on that design. My base coat, which is just a nail hardener, and peel off base coat to keep everything clean. And these are my colors that I'm going to be using. And this will be my top coat. This dries everything really fast so that we can keep everything neat between stages. And I applied my base coat here, and now I'm gonna apply the base color. And just so you know, I won't always be showing you what I'm doing with my right hand, like completely, but obviously whatever I do to my left hand is gonna be happening on my right hand. It just takes me longer, so I cut those parts out just to save you guys some time. See, so now I put the top coat so that I can begin putting my peel off base coat. You see, we're putting this on the edge of around your nail. That way, when you're patting on the design, it doesn't dirty your whole finger, and it just saves us time afterwards to not have to like clean all that up. So I'm putting the darker color on the outer part of the wedge and the lighter color on the inside, and I'm just gonna pat it on. So you're gonna just pat so that you don't see any harsh lines, but you're not gonna like do a straight full on, application of it, because I did that once and it left a really harsh line. So you're patting it on. And after the first try, I noticed that it didn't really work with the dark color on the outside, so I switched it up because it was a little uncomfortable how trying to hold the wedge that way. So I did this for a couple of nails. And then in my middle finger, I actually did a little mistake. I went a little overboard in the middle, but it's okay. We can fix that by taking our whatever color it is that you're using and just painting it on, and then just going back in there and patting on again to cover it up. See, all fixed. After that little screw up that I did, I went and tried the uncomfortable way again by putting the dark color on the outside and the lighter color on the inside, just because even though it was a little more uncomfortable to apply it that way, I feel like it was working better for me with how I was patting it on, and like the lines not being so harsh, and like it was looking a little bit darker on the outside of on the tip of the nail, so it was leaving kind of like a harsh line, which I had to like pat a little extra. And also remember to have light pats, not too hard, because then you won't be able to have really time to form the division that you want. You might go too far on the darker colors. So that's how it looks after, and I'm just gonna apply this glitter. It's like a rose gold glitter. And you don't wanna like dip and take too much. You kinda wanna just lightly put it on, because then if you put too much, it's like the whole nail's gonna be covered in glitter and you're not really gonna see the ombre nails. So I'm just like lightly placing everything. And of course, you just repeat on all your nails. And that's how they look, ladies and gentlemen. So remember that base coat we put, that glue looking base coat? Now we're gonna take that off, and look how easy this is. It's just like when you were little and you used to like rub glue all over your hands and it used to dry up. That's exactly what this is. So Just peel it right off and look how clean it looks. Even though I am peeling this off, I'm still gonna go back in and clean it with some nail polish remover, just because there are gonna be pieces that were maybe too close to my nail that I couldn't get with this base coat. So that's what I'm gonna do here. Just a little bit. Then you dip the Q-tip inside and squeeze a little because you don't want it to drip and mess up your actual nail design. You want to keep that only on the edge where you messed up. Be very careful when you do this. I've accidentally smudged my nail before, and after all this work, I do not want to do that. So be very careful. See, look how pretty. So this is the result, the finished look, everybody. I hope you liked watching my video. I hope you learned something today. I know it looks hard when you see pictures, but look how easy this is. It does take time, but it's really easy. Yeah, so remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.